each other. They got matching haircuts and everything. Like, where's your family from?
China.
China. Okay. And do you speak Mandarin or Cantonese?
Yeah, Mandarin.
How do you say you're really pretty in Mandarin?
你很漂亮.
Oh, look at that. See? Say it one more time. One more time.
你很漂亮.
你好漂亮。你好漂亮。你好漂亮。你好漂亮。How long you been friends with Eddie?
At least 10 years.
What would you say his biggest, his strongest character trait about him? What sticks out to you the most about him?
Man, he flexes. Look at him.
Is he a loyal guy? Would he treat a girl right?
Yeah, he's a simp. Look at him.
That's his best friend saying that. Yeah. Any ladies interested in Eddie? Make some noise. Oh, we got some ladies, man. Here we go. What's your name? Giselle. Nice to meet you, Giselle. And where's your family from? Colombia. Okay. Okay. We got any other single ladies interested in Eddie? Make some noise. What's your name? Bridget, come stand over here next to Eddie. You're in the middle. Come over here. Yeah. No. Eddie's in the middle. Giselle on that side. Don't act like you never, fought for a man before. All right. Where's your family from?
De Colombia.
Ay, Dios mío. Nice, dog. It's like season 2 of Narcos right now, dog. And you from Philly?
From Jersey.
Okay. When you think of a man, like, what do you value the most in a guy?
Family oriented, doesn't take himself too seriously, has goals. Someone I can have fun with, the best friend.
What's your idea of a romantic first night? First date.
I'm from Jersey too, so I like going to the city.
Are y'all cousins? What the She's like family oriented. What do you value the most in a guy?
Family oriented, loyalty. I like a man that's very healthy and cares about himself.
Yeah, his homie works out, bro. Giselle, touch his chest real quick. What do you think? Don't flex. Let me lie, hold on. Like, look at this bicep here. Touch his bicep. Bridget, touch it. That's the product. You got to test the product like cocaine. Did it like a kilo one time.
What are your hobbies?
I like to be with my family a lot and I work out.
I like to work out. I like to be with my friends and family. I like to travel.
Eddie, they're basically like the same. Just choose the tan one or the light one, dog.
I'm gonna have to go over here just because she was looking at me earlier in the show.
Okay. Ask her. Oh, she said her brother's here. You want to ask permission from the brother?
Danny, is it all right?
He said yes. Brother Chink's okay? All right, go ahead. Hey! One more time for Eddie and Giselle, guys.
This is how you generate explosive power in your strikes. You're going to step in and plant your feet. You're going to drop your weight and really load up the hips and shoulders. And now the key to explosive power, this is how you generate explosive power in your strikes. You're going to step in and...
Tingnan mo nga naman mga Pinoy. Nagka-big bike lang sa car slot na nagpa-park. Imbis na marami pang coaching makakapag-park, nagpa-park talaga sila dito. Mahirap.
Wala namang problema dun kung same yung bayad. Walang problema dun kung same yung bayad. Kung ako boss opinion ko lang kung same lang yung bayad ng kotse 40 pesos, bayad ng gantong motor 40 pesos, magpa-park ako kung saan pwede mag-park ng safe yung motor ko.
Tingnan mo nga naman mga Pinoy. Nagka-big bike lang sa car slot na nagpa-park. Imbis na marami pang coaching makakapag-park, nagpa-park talaga sila dito. Mahirap.
Wala namang problema dun kung same yung bayad. Walang problema dun kung same yung bayad.
Sam Giapsel.
These are worn in a very different occasion. Elegant and malakas ang dating mo dyan ka. Pag mag-grocery ka, go with something like this.
Trade in 650 or cash 150.
He has 8 days to choose and try to dispose of another watch another day, brother.
Tapos kasi nag-import ako dito sa Panda. So,
Yes.
next ako ni ma'am.
Meron actually ako mismo yung naghanap nun. Meron naman tayong may bibigay na Panda na 2024 brand new, the newest reference na. Ayun.
Paano kayo? Pwede kayo trade?
Yeah, pwede naman. She mentioned nga that you wanted to trade in, compete with papers naman tayo, no?
Alright.
If you don't mind, how much you got it for?
130.
You're gonna get a big loss. So this is the Bruce Wayne pala, guys. Reference 1266710 na year and Arto. So they call it the Bruce Wayne. This is an oyster. In fairness naman kay sir, ginawa niya agad, pinapipf niya agad para hindi na magasgasan. So when you buy the Bruce Wayne kasi ngayon, hype siya eh. Kasi bagong release. At saka pare, lalaki din naman talaga yung design niya. Actually, something I would also wear. Now, you wanted the panda naman. May panda pa tayo ba?
Meron.
So this panda is reference is 116500. So yung bago kasi is 126,500. Yeah, so yun ang pinagkaiba niya. This is a 2017. We're selling it for 1,559,000 lang. Actually, cheap siya. We're selling kasi this is 2017, pero maganda pa rin naman yung condition niya. Full set din siya. Kaya 1,559,000. I'd probably give you a little more discount. But if you're looking for the latest reference, which is the 126500, full set na brand new pa, unworn, you really have to pay the premium. We're selling it for 1,950,000. 1,950 ang benta namin doon. So if you're leaning towards that, we can do the deal naman with that. However, in regards to this, if you really want to do this, you're gonna add, like, kasi ako, honestly, value ko dito, 900. But you're very safe kasi in terms of investment in this one. Panda yan eh. Daytona Panda yan. That's one of the, most sought after na
Bro, kasi nakita ko sa vlog ni Boss Cholo, big boy watch now. So hindi lang literally, pati sa relo na
big boy watch yung mga yan. Yeah.
Pwede pa bang bawasan, boss? Ngayon man lang, pumanik sa akin ng tadhana.
Ano boss, gusto mo sir, yung brand new or ito? Because these fly like pancakes tong mga to. Ang bibilis na to. Submariner ng mga ceramic natin na black Submariners and mga Daytona na Panda and Congo, mabibilis yan mga yan. Pinaka-important sa akin is what you want personally. And I would actually, if you were to get my advice, I wouldn't say na kuha ka ng brand new. Parang kumuha lang ng kotse yan sa kasa. Pumunta ka sa kasa, bumili ka ng kotse, paglabas na pagkalabas, nadumihan lang yung tires outside, depreciate agad yung value. So because every brand new has a premium talaga. Some people have their beliefs, some people just, doesn't want na may nasuot na sila na nasuotan ng iba, so on and so forth. So if you're really not particular in those areas, get something on second hand. Save yourself a couple of bucks, di ba?
Ganda.
Additional ko dito, sir, Webers.
650. What do you think? You get the watch now. Kasi andyan na eh. Available na eh. Ikaw madam, anong tingin mo magandang choice?
Support lang always.
Support? Ganyan rin asawa ko. Masaya tayo eh, no?
Nag-iisipan ko kung kunin ko lang straight cash or card or...
Pag card, brother,
Pag tin-rating ko si sir, kumbaga valued as 900 tama.
yes. Usap tayo cash. Wag card. Kasi card may fee eh. If you wanna stock cash, let's stock cash there. Hindi siya trade. Mas mabibigyan pa kita ng discount.
So ano bang tag price ito, sir?
1559.
Babalikan ko as cashier para makuha rin yung na-reserve ko siya if ever
Yeah.
magkasundo tayo.
What do you think?
Pag cashier, magkano boss?
I'll take 30k off. 1529. 1529, the best I can do for that. You get to keep your watch. Actually, okay naman eh, kasi they're very different eh. These are worn in a very different way. And malakas ang dating mo. Sirika, go with something like this.
Okay naman sa akin price, sir. Kaso, kailangan ko ibenta to.
Tapos, kung ibibenta mo yan, trade mo na lang. Ganon din eh. Of course, you can try to sell it for like mga 950, 1 million. Try mo lang. Kasi that's what I would sell it for. Yun nga lang, madedelay ka nga lang na down ka lang kahit 50k and then that's sold to you na. Considered sold na yan. Try mo ibenta. If deadline comes, wala na talagang choice. Hindi tsaka mo i-trade.
Pwede yun 2 options pagka after 7 days, bigyan mo 7 days ibenta or
7 days, ibenta mo to. Pag hindi mo talaga mabenta, balik ka sa akin.
bakit i-finalize natin yung details, sir, ng cash 1529.
Yes.
1529 pag cash. Pag trade,
And then today is Tuesday. I'll give you until Wednesday next week.
okay. Trade in 650 or cash 1529.
So, okay too.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sige.
Thank you so much. So, ibalot na namin yan. Mira, tago mo na to para kay sir. Done?
Done.
Done. 1529 or trade plus 650. Done deal. Man, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Done deal. Ganun lang guys. So, binigyan natin ng choice si brother. He has 8 days to choose and try to dispose his new, old watch. New siya pero old watch muna kasi. So, try to dispose it muna. I'm just giving you just to help out, di ba?
Sobrang dami nga rin sa inyo yung nagtatanong kung pwede ko rin daw ba ipakita itong Toyota Land Cruiser. Tapos ko na nga ipakita sa inyo yung Camry, kaya ngayon itong LC naman. Di naman ako masyadong busy, tsaka wala naman akong lakad.
Best 3 players of all time. Michael Jordan. Kai Soto. Wow, this is tough. Rennie J. Best 3 players of all time. Michael Jordan.
This guy bought this extremely rare jacket, and he's one of the only people in the world to have it. At first glance, it looks like a regular jacket, but if you think that, you're completely wrong. When flipped, this jacket lights up on its own and shines so brightly it hypnotizes anyone looking at it. He deserves a like. This guy bought this extremely rare...
TV Open category. Yeah.
21 minutes remaining time. 21 minutes remaining time.
At yun na nga, may breakaway na tayo. Si Kyle Ken ng Team Cebu, GC, at si Trent ng Team Exodus. At ito naman ang second breakaway natin. Evangelista ng Team Excellent Noodles na walang ka-teammate at isang taga-Team Exodus. At heto na yung ulo ng peloton natin. Mayroon lamang 15 seconds na gap mula sa second breakaway. At yun na nga, nahabol na ng second breakaway natin ang first breakaway. At yung nasa breakaway natin, isang Team Cebu, isang Excellent Noodles.
People on Earth die when they're like 50.
They die when they're 50?
I don't know, something like that.
What's even the point of being born?
Exactly.
Are you about to die?
I'm not 50. People on Earth die when they're like 50.
They die when they're 50?
I don't know, something like that.
What's even the point of being born?
Exactly.
Are you about to die?
I'm not 50.
All right, mate. All right. All right. Did you order?
Who's ordered that? If you ordered a pizza. What? How much has it done, mate?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ, Theo. How much was it?
38.
Plenty. How, Theo? Yeah, well, we're after taking them, mate, yeah.
You already paid.
You pay for it on iPad.
Well done.
Ayan mga kasiklista, so galing ako kina kuya at hindi ko akalain na may madadaanan ko mga siklista din. Pero dito, itong isang to, binati ko naman, ako ay nagmamadali lang kasi nga ay may alaga kong pusa na may sakit. Kaya binati ko na din. Morning. Pagkabati ko, syempre lumampas ako kasi nga sabi ko nagmamadali ako dahil dun sa alaga kong pusa na may sakit. At di ko akalain na yun pala, sinusundan na ako, siguro nga ay sabi nga nila pag nilalampasan mo yung ibang siklista biglang kumakarera. Meron palang mga taong ganun na ayaw talagang malampasan. So, wala akong magawa kasi nagmamadali ako kasi kahit nga ako may sakit. Yung alaga kong pusang may sakit, kaya talaga ako yung nagmamadali. So, tingnan na lang natin kung ano mga ibang kaganapan sa aking pagbibisikleta pa uwi. Morning! Dito sa part pala na to ay banayad na lusong, so medyo nakapagpatakbo ng mabilis. Siguro nasa 35 hanggang 40, ganyan, patakbo ko. At pagpamanin ninyo na hindi ako makadaan dyan sa bike lane kasi kita nyo naman marami po nakaharang sa bike lane. Ginawa na po kasing paradahan. Kaya hindi talaga ako makadaan dyan kahit sinong siklista hindi na po nakakadaan. So dito sa part na to malapit na ako sa lima, kaya alam kong hihinto, depende po doon sa may traffic signs o traffic light kung go ba o naka-stop.